Sapamagata kita tadi bisa kita tadi bidirana. Sapamagata kita tadi bisa kita tadi bidirana. Sa rigata bari, rigari ni sa rigata bari. Sapamaga mama ga mama ga mama ga mama ga paga gari sanisa, gari sanisa. Donde está mi ante? Say yeah yeah yeah. Kita tadi midirana, karisa, 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 karigasa, sa karigasa, sa karigasa. C'est comme si, c'est comme ça.
चौखट पे चल के आज चारों धाम आए हैं। बजाओ ढोल स्वागत में मेरे घर राम आए हैं। कथा शबरी की जैसे जुड़ गई मेरी कहानी से। न रोको आज धोने दो चरण आँखों के पानी से। बहुत खुश हैं मेरे आंसू के प्रभु के काम आए हैं। बजाओ ढोल स्वागत में मेरे घर राम आए हैं। धन्य हुए हैं नैन पुजारी जीवन नैया तुमने तारी। मंगल भवना मंगलहारी, मंगल भवना मंगलहारी। निर्धन का तुम धन हो राघव, तुम ही रामायण हो राघव। सब दुख हरना अवध बिहारी। मंगल भवना मंगलहारी, मंगल भवना मंगलहारी, मंगल भवना मंगलहारी। चरण की धूल ले लूं मैं मेरे भगवान आए हैं। बजाओ ढोल स्वागत में मेरे घर राम आए हैं। मेरी चौखट पे चल के आज चारों धाम आए हैं। बजाओ ढोल स्वागत में मेरे घर राम आए हैं।
And moves. So let's cheer them up again with a huge round of applause.
Palak, it seems like audience liked the performance. Do you like it?
Yes, I liked it a lot. It was an elegant one.
Yes, Palak. So now we have to proceed further.
Yeah, let's proceed further. Annual Day celebrations are a time to look back on our accomplishments and to look forward to new challenges. It's my honor to welcome Principal Sir on the stage to address the school's annual report for the session 2023-24.
Good morning. Good morning, one and all present over here. Honorable Chief Guests, Honorable media persons, and other guests. Our Management Director, Sir R.P. Singh, Sir, Director Lily Ma'am, Admin Officer Bikram Karki, Sir, Academic Director Mrs. Sneha Ma'am, invited all dignity, parents, staff member, and all my dear students. I take this opportunity to convey my heartiest greeting to you all and welcome to you in the celebration of Arohan 2023. The annual day celebration is the school has the tradition been signified as the day when circular activity takes place over academics. It also the day when take stock of year gone by, review the innovation and achievements. Tracing the journey of the Queens from the beginning, it was indeed from the very modesty and human being, the full-fledged school from beginning. The primary, secondary and senior secondary school, the journey of our school, I feel that it passed 33 years only prepare the fly, and I wish to take a greater and greater height. In coming year, the school annual day is also time for recognize the time to award and reward. We take frequently review the ensuring that all of our best of best rewarded in our experience. Students perform best in the environment of fairness. It is our sacred responsibility to ensure that is to meet to all times. I wish. Now I like to touch base of some improvement in the infrastructure in facility brought about the past few years. We stabilize that state of upgrading science lab to meet the requirement of secondary school students. This year, Wi-Fi connectivity along with the digital panels of teaching has also been able to the schools. Various protective measuring of the step of security, one of them being installation of the CCTV camera in all the classes and every corner of school. Other having also added stickers across controlling through issue I-card, visitor card, lady security guard, and additional gate by making the Queen's security of as well as possible. It is my earnest appeal to the parents to view of the measuring the positive and follow the security protocol. Moving on the academics, learning in the 21st century is incomplete. If you are unable to link the practical experience of the world and expose our students to activities outside of usual realm we have. Taken the conscious step of link classroom learning with a visit outside of a school. Having the interesting educational trip in Jaipur and Delhi. Home to shooting the historical landmarks such as Hawa Mahal, Amar Fort, city places, Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalay, Rashtrapati Sangrahalay, and Akshardham. We assure that the trip was go a long way the broad the horizon in our students and who know one of it, the help of the students, the of their career. In the summer of 2023 summer camp were organized for our students where we focus into the sports such as chess and football. Taking about the holistic development of the child, the school has introduced the separate activity period or zero period. The main focus of the period was personality development, activity such as show and tell, chit chat, English and Hindi reading as well as the dictions and calligraphy. Queen's Public School focus on the given equal opportunity to each and every child, whatever it about stage presence of classroom discussion. As you all can see, our annual function ensure participation of almost all. Students where the strength of the class hit 40 and we separate the section is made thereafter. Buses facilities are available to all corners of Haldwani without any hassle. Considering the year of 2023 to be the year of the academic initiative, and we introduced the extracurricular activity. Activity with fitness and health of body and mind. We introduced yoga, chess, and best out of West. Now, as a member of the Public School Association, our school gets greater participation in inter-school meet and competitions such as Bharat Vikas Parishad, inter-school debate competition, dance competition, Sanskar Sala, Hindi Olympiad, etc. 2022 is also dedicated upgrading to the skill of our teachers. They have been attending a number of workshops, session 2022-23. So as very experienced staff that help the students to their very vast upcoming board examination. Not to be left behind of the Queen's Public School made us feel proud when we won laurels in the various competitions. Mayank Joshi topped class 12th with the impressive 94.2%, securing a place at IIT after clearing IIT G Main and Advanced. Other outstanding achievers in IIT G Main includes Utkarsh Joshi, Sarthak Pandey, Mukul Joshi, Ansh Bharadwaj, and Vidhi Navyal. In class 10th, Palak Sanwal excelled with the outstanding 98%, also scored the top position in the Navodaya entrance examination, Nainital district. 8 students, including Palak Sanwal, achieved a 90 plus in 10th, showcased their academic excellence. Meenakshi Chufal, Kajal Koranga, Vishal Adhikari, Kuver Kumar, Tina Koranga, and Mahinur Khan. Our football team showcased exceptional skill, scoring victory in various tournaments, including the Johar Club Munshari 68th Annual Sports Festival and 7th State Championship in Kasipur. In yoga, State Championship held at Ramnagar on 3rd of December. Our students secured 2nd and 3rd position respectively. 4 students have been selected for the national in Dehradun on December 24 and 25. Recently, our school girls football team achieved the runner-up position in the Khel Mahakumbh. Furthermore, we take pride in announcing the 7 of our students have been selected to represent state. Our commitment to spirituality in the education reflects in the events like Ramlila, providing students insights into the social, religious, and cultural factors. In chess, one of our school students of class 9th achieved in the international rating. Our chess team also engaged in the state tournament. Recently, we secured 2nd place in Amar Ujala tournament and 3rd place in Nainital Open Chess Tournament. Finally, I would like to our chief guests and the other guests and who spent their sufficient time for motivating our students. I wish to like all of you, our management members, and who have given a sufficient time. My teachers who have worked hard and just a few weeks, and we are putting up the show that the professional and professional could we have. Thank you, teachers and my students, and who have worked continuously to put the beautiful program before you. In conclusion, I would like to say real education fetches you more than a job. It teaches you to live. It cannot be measured in any tangible way, and that would continue to be our guiding principle. Wishing you to all parents very, very fulfilled. I request to you all, clap, applause, and cheer for the students, and very, very positively, because there are nothing that feel like the good round up without applause. Thank you very much, parents as well as the teachers, students. One more thing, just before 2 minutes we have seen some of the parents as well as the students are awarded and rewarded by the school. But every parents want to come in front of the stage for taking this prize. So at last, I would like to tell you something in our Matrabhasha, Hindi. Really, we people are learning the language, either Hindi, Kumaoni, Garhwali, Punjabi, and so many languages are here with us. But Hindi is our tongue language. Hindi is the Matrabhasha. So whatever we can express in Hindi, we can't give it such a touch in English or any other language. So I would like to tell you something in Hindi. मैं आपको रियल हिंदी में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ. बस कर्म तुम्हारा कल होगा, बस कर्म तुम्हारा कल होगा, और कर्म में अगर सच्चाई है तो कर्म कहाँ निष्फल होगा. हर संकट का हल होगा, वो आज नहीं तो कल होगा. सो हर पेरेंट्स की अभिलाषा होती है कि हम स्टेज पर जाएं और प्राइज लें. हम अपने नाम से नहीं, बच्चे के नाम से जाने जाएं, और उसके लिए हम टीचर ही जिम्मेदार नहीं, उसमें हमको भी जिम्मेदार रहना पड़ेगा. हम पेरेंट्स को भी जिम्मेदार रहना पड़ेगा. देश जब आज़ाद नहीं हुआ था तो सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने बोला था, आज़ादी तुमको ज़रूर मिलेगी, लेकिन आप हमें खून दो, हम आपको आज़ादी देते हैं. और इसी प्रकार मैं भी आपसे एक कमेंटमेंट करना चाहूँगा. आप हर एक पेरेंट्स ये चाहता कि या तो मेरा बच्चा IITian बने, या मेरा बच्चा डॉक्टर बने, या मेरा बच्चा इंजीनियर बने, या आर्मी ऑफिसर बने. दिस इज माई प्रॉमिस विद यू. मैं आपसे प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि मैं ये सारी चीज़ें आपको देने को तैयार हूँ. आप बच्चों को पढ़ाइए मत, वो ड्यूटी हमारी है. हमको, हम जो यहाँ पर हैं पढ़ाने के लिए, ये ड्यूटी हमारी, हम पढ़ाएंगे. आप संस्कार तो हम शिक्षा देंगे, आप संस्कार तो हम शिक्षा देंगे. जिस दिन आप संस्कार दोगे हम शिक्षा दें, और यदि आपका बच्चा डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर या आर्मी ऑफिसर ना निकले, और जो कहोगे उसके लिए हम तैयार हैं. ये मेरा प्रॉमिस इस स्टेज से है. आप भी यहाँ से प्रॉमिस करिए कि हम बच्चे को संस्कार देंगे, आप शिक्षा दीजिए. यदि ऐसा ना हो तो हम आपकी हर बात सुनने के लिए तैयार रहेंगे. ये मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हर पेरेंट्स से आप बच्चे को घर पे किसी दूसरे के साथ कंपेयर ना करें. आज ही बहुत सारे बच्चों की मरम्मत होने वाली है. क्यों होने वाली है? देखा बेटा, वो स्टेज पर गया था, उसको इतनी बड़ी शील्ड मिली, तेरे को नहीं मिली. कभी कंपेयर मत करिए प्लीज़, ये रिक्वेस्ट है. यदि रियल में आप अपने बच्चे को एक टॉप पोजीशन में देखना चाहते हैं तो ना तो पड़ोसी से कंपेयर करिए, ना किसी दूसरे से कंपेयर करिए. आप अपने बच्चे की इफिशिएंसी के बेस पर उससे काम करवाइए. यदि आपको पता है कि मेरा बच्चा 70% वाला है तो कोशिश करिए 80 आ जाए. 80 वाला है तो कोशिश करिए 90 आ जाए. 90 वाला है तो कोशिश करिए 100 लाए. और यदि आप ये सोचते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा 40% वाला है और वो 100% ले आएगा, पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि हर एक चीज़ें स्टेप वाइज होती हैं. आप उसको स्टेप वाइज डेवलपमेंट के चांस दीजिए और कंपेयर मत करिए. यदि आपने कंपेयर करना शुरू कर दिया तो बच्चा डिमोरलाइज हो जाएगा, और जिस दिन उसका डिमोशन शुरू हो जाएगा आप लाखों डॉक्टरों को दिखा देंगे, डॉक्टर भी उसका कोई इलाज नहीं कर पाएगा. और ये बीमारियां, कुछ बीमारियां हम पेरेंट्स खुद बच्चे को देते हैं, और कुछ बीमारियां एक्चुअली होती हैं। डिप्रेशन की बीमारी कोई बीमारी नहीं है, ये या तो पेरेंट्स देते हैं या हम टीचर लोग देते हैं। ये हम और आप दोनों की जिम्मेदारी है कि हम बच्चे को इतना डिप्रेस ना करें जिससे कि वो पढ़ना ही छोड़ दे, इतना भी सताएं ना, इतना भी कंपेयर करना शुरू ना करें कि जिससे कि वो अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल से वो जेलिसी रखना शुरू कर दे। होता क्या है, अधिकतर पेरेंट्स, देखा तेरे फ्रेंड्स 99% लाई 70 लेके आया है और उसके साथ फ्रेंडशिप रखी है, ये कंपेयर करते हैं, हमने देखा है। लेकिन ये मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि कंपेयर ना करें, केवल संस्कार दीजिए। शिक्षा का काम हमारा, हम लोगों को इस काम के लिए ऊपर वाले ने भेजा है। और कुछ पेरेंट्स टीचर भी हैं, कुछ पेरेंट्स भी हैं, जैसे मैं यहाँ पर भी टीचर हूँ तो मैं एक जगह पेरेंट्स भी बन जाता हूँ, तो वहाँ पर हमारा काम भी सुनने का होता है। लेकिन यहाँ पर ये मेरी ड्यूटी है कि आपको मैं एक एज ए एजुकेशन स्पेशलिस्ट इस चीज़ को बताना चाहूँगा कि आप अपने बच्चों को कंपेयर करके सताइए मत, और 100% आपका रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव होगा। थैंक यू, गुड डे, ऑल द बेस्ट।
These achievements have embarked on a greater heights as you deliver them with such zeal and enthusiasm.
When the curtain rises on the annual day celebration, it unveils the spirit of fellowship, achievement, and vibrant energy that envelops the occasion. Amidst this bustling synergy, a distinct voice echoes through the venue, threading together performances, ceremonies, and speeches. So our tiny toddlers are here to present you a skit.
European fairy tale about a young girl and a sly wolf. Its origins can be traced back to pre-17th century European folktales. The two best-known versions were written by Charles Perrault and Brothers Grimm. There was once a little girl who was well loved by her mother and even more by her grandmother, who made her a cloak that suited the child so well that everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood. One morning, she was playing with her friends outside her house.
Little Red Riding Hood skipped through the woods, skipped through the woods, skipped through the woods. Little Red Riding Hood skipped through the woods with a skippity skippity skip, skip, skippity skippity skip, with a skippity skippity skip, skip, skippity skippity skip. Little Red Riding Hood met a hairy wolf, met a hairy wolf, met a hairy wolf. Little Red Riding Hood met a hairy wolf, and she stops to say hello, hello. She stops to say hello. She stops to say hello, hello. She stops to say hello. Who are you going to see, Red Riding Hood? I'm going to see my granny, and where does your granny live, Red Riding Hood? Along the path in the woods. Would you like to walk with me, Red
One morning, she was playing with her friends outside her house. Her mother called her, "Little Red Riding Hood, Little Red Riding Hood."
Little Red Riding Hood, Little Red Riding Hood.
"I am coming, Mama."
Dear, go to see your grandma who is sick.
So they packed a basket full of fruits, biscuit, bread, and butter. The basket was ready. The girl put on her cloak and kissed her mother a goodbye.
Be careful, the way to forest is very risky. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Mama. But when Little Red Riding Hood noticed some lovely flowers in the woods, she forgot her promise to her mother. She started to sing, dance, and pluck some flowers for her grandmother. Suddenly, a wolf appeared beside Little Red Riding Hood.
Hello, little girl. What is your name?
"I am Little Red Riding Hood.
So, where are you going, Little Red Riding Hood?
I am going to see my grandma who is sick.
Where is she?
She lives in a far cottage." And with that, the wolf took a shortcut to the grandma's house. Little Red Riding Hood started plucking some flower, not noticing the wolf.
Who is that? It's Little Red Riding Hood, Grandma. Pull the door and open. Ah! 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 Ah!
The wolf growls and gobbled her. Then he shuts the door and put on Grandma's nightcap and rolls himself well up in the blanket.
Ah! 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 Who is that?
It's Little Red Riding Hood, Grandma.
Pull the door and open.
Hello, Grandma.
Come here and kiss me, dear.
Grandma, what big arms do you have?
To hug you, my dear.
Grandma, what big legs do you have?
To run, my dear.
Grandma, what big ears do you have?
To hear you, my dear.
Grandma, what big eyes do you have?
To see you, my dear.
Grandma, what big teeth do you have?
To eat you, my dear. Ah! Ah!
The wicked wolf rolled and jumped out of the bed and began to chase Little Red Riding Hood. Help! Help! A woodsman was chopping woods nearby. He heard her cry. He ran towards the cottage as fast as he could. He grabbed the wolf and made him spit out the poor grandma. Oh, Grandma, I was so scared. I met two strangers. Dear friends, you were taught what happened to be. Obey and respect to your parents and elders. Be happy. Bye bye. May have bad intentions to you. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
See the sun shining in the window. Time to start a new day. Can't you hear the songbirds singing? They're gonna sing out loud and say, it's a beautiful day for running in the sun. A beautiful day has just begun. A beautiful day to do what I want to do. Oh, it's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I've got a beautiful day, and I like to share it with you. Look around, there's a world of beauty, from the mountains to the sea. And there's a wonder around every corner, awaiting there for you and me. It's a beautiful day for running in the sun. A beautiful day has just begun. A beautiful day to do what I want to do. Oh, it's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I've got a beautiful day, and I like to share it with you. I like to share it with you. I like to share it with you. Yeah!
Hope you all like the performance. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye.
Wow, how beautifully the little kids presented the story of the Little Red Riding Hood. So please join your hands together for our...
Every year, our school's annual function revolves around a unique theme that captures the essence of our institution. This year, our school portrays the story of a young girl who has been deprived from CAPD, that is, Central Auditory Processing Disorder. The story begins from her first day of school to her contribution in India's one of the most successful missions.
The sail to India's mission was not an easy task. She faces problems, gets addicted, breaks down, and then widens her wings to fly high in the sky and make her dream come true. With these lines, I would like to address the recital of Pragati.
ये कहानी है एक लड़की के जीवन की गति की। ये कहानी है प्रगति की। कानों तक उसके स्वर तो जाता, सच में कुछ नहीं आता था। पता चला वो CAPD की शिकार थी। तो क्या उसकी आगे की ज़िंदगी बेकार थी? नहीं, उसके माता पिता ने हौसला बढ़ाया, खूब मेहनत करके उसे लिखाया पढ़ाया। बचपन की मस्ती का भी आनंद लिया, बचपन की मस्ती का भी आनंद लिया, दोस्तों के साथ हंसी मजाक भी किया। अपने गुरुओं का सम्मान करती थी, अपने गुरुओं का सम्मान करती थी, उनके लिए अपना प्रेम कविताओं में भरती थी। नई तकनीक का भी उसे अच्छा खासा ज्ञान था, नई तकनीक का भी उसे अच्छा खासा ज्ञान था। फ़ोन में लगे रहना उसका नया काम था, पर कब ये काम एक आदत बन गया पता नहीं चला। उसका कीमती समय भी बर्बाद होता चला। पर वह निरंतर प्रयास करती रही, पर वह निरंतर प्रयास करती रही, अपने अंदर एक नया जज्बा भरती रही। और उसकी मेहनत ने रखे अमेरिका तक उसके कदम, और MIT से पढ़ने के लिए लगाया दमखम। फिर वैज्ञानिक बन भारत की सेवा में खुद को लगाया, देश के प्रति अपने फ़र्ज़ को निभाया। जी तोड़कर मेहनत की दूसरे चंद्रयान के लिए, पर वो प्रयास भी विफल गए। लेकिन उसने नहीं मानी हार, लेकिन उसने नहीं मानी हार और तीसरा चंद्रयान किया तैयार। सभी वैज्ञानिकों ने परिश्रम किया, सभी वैज्ञानिकों ने अटल परिश्रम किया और चंद्रयान ने चांद छुआ। ये वो प्रगति है जिसने मेहनत करी है, ये वो प्रगति है जिसमें जज्बे की लड़ी है। हाँ, ये वो प्रगति है जिसके पंखों में उड़ान भरी है, जिसके पंखों में उड़ान भरी है। So let's begin with Tina and Bhumika, who will accompany you throughout the journey of Pragati. Let's welcome them. With a token of love, please sir. Welcome sir. We hope that you will have a wonderful time here. Of KVM School, Mrs. Bhandari with a bouquet. Welcome ma'am. We hope you will have a wonderful time here.
Journey of Pragati.
Bhumika, where are you, Bhumika? You were just here. Why can't I see you? Has my long distance vision got blurred?
Hello, Tina. Please give pause to your words. Just turn your gaze. I'm right here in front of you.
Oh, I was just worried for no reason. By the way, were you humming some soft tunes? I could hear some faint words.
At times, certain words easily accumulate on tongue, and those same words keep reoccurring on the lips as well. But tell me, Tina, why we have come here in the arena of queens today?
Have patience. I will tell you. We have come here today to witness the story of a sweet little girl. When a tiny girl is born into this world, she reflects as pure and serene as still water. Gradually, as her development begins, the desire to spread her wings and soar high starts budding within her.
The desire to fly exists in everyone's mind. Who doesn't have it? But the circumstances and the adverse situations are significant hurdles in this society, which are the obstacle in life's momentum. So isn't there anything negative in this girl's life? Wouldn't this child face the life weaknesses? Or the God had sent her as a gift to overcome with these weaknesses? Go and live your life freely.
No, not at all. Life is never as simple as it seems. Life is not always bed of roses. I apologize for summarizing your words. But if you will calm all your curiosity with me, then no secrets of this story will remain. Look over there for a moment.
Hello everyone, myself Pragati. You all have come here to meet me, right? Come, I will take you along on my journey. Will you come with me? Let's go.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे, बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। स्वर्ग सी धरती खिल रही जैसे, मेरा मन भी तो खिल रहा वैसे, कोयल की तरह गाने का अरमां, मछली की तरह मचलूं ये अरमां, जवानी है लाई रंगीन सपना। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा,
Acha.
Tell me, Bhumika, how did you find our Pragati?
Very innocent, like a pious and pure stream of river. Just like the newly prepared clay by a potter can easily prepared into any form.
Absolutely, Bhumika. Our Pragati is indeed unique, like a new bud on a plant. So, let's join the journey of Pragati and let's begin from her house. Let's go. Santosh, please help. And I also have to cook dinner for Ma and Bapuji.
Yes, of course. Today Pragati will study with her dad.
Okay, Papa, I will study.
So Pragati, A for apple,
A for apple,
B for ball,
B for ball,
C for cat,
C for cat,
D for dog,
D for dog,
E for elephant,
E for
E for elephant. Pragati, E for elephant. Strange. What is wrong with this girl? She was reading just fine until now, and now she is silent and not responding at all.
She does this every day. That's why I asked you to help her in her homework. Every day, my entire evening goes in helping her with her homework. I am really worried about this girl.
Hello, am I speaking to Pragati's father?
Yes, I am Pragati's father, Santosh speaking.
Yes, Santoshji, this is Pragati's principal this side. I need to talk to you about Pragati.
Oh, good evening, sir. Please say.
I'm sorry to say that, but we won't be able to allow Pragati to continue in this school further.
Sir, don't say this. I agree she forgets things a bit, but she is disciplined and obedient.
As you know, Pragati has been in the same class for the last 2 years. So now, according to the school norms, she is not allowed to continue in this school. Whatever it is, Santoshji, but we can't help you in this.
Sir, please don't say this. Please give us some time. Both I and Pragati's mother will work hard with her.
Okay, that's fine, but only for 1 month. After that, I won't be able to do anything. I hope you can understand.
Yes, sir, I got it. Thank you so much.
Santosh, I have been pointing you to this problem since long back. Just to ensure there are no serious issues with her health, please consult a doctor.
Of course, Ma, you are right. Today, both I and Anjali will take Pragati to a neurologist to get her checked.
Okay.
Today where we are going, Papa?
Today, we are going to meet a doctor uncle.
But why, Papa?
Because doctor uncle has invited us to see you.
Okay, Papa.
Yes, Santoshji. Now tell me, what is the issue with Pragati?
Sir, the point is that neither can Pragati read properly nor she can understand things like other children.
Okay, let me talk to Pragati once. Then I will be able to say something.
Sure, sir. Go, Pragati dear. Doctor uncle wants to talk to you.
Good evening, Doctor Uncle. Myself, Pragati.
Okay, dear. Now I will ask you some questions, and I'm sure you will answer them honestly.
Sure, Uncle.
Come, dear.
Gastroenterology, please. Dr. Khan. Gastroenterology, please. Dr. Khan.
Very good. Santoshji, please.
Sure, sir.
Listen, Santoshji, Pragati has a disorder called CAPD, which make it difficult for her to comprehend spoken word like any other child.
What is this CAPD, sir? Is there no solution to this problem?
Santoshji, firstly, let me tell you that CAPD means Central Auditory Processing Disorder. It means when you speak, Pragati can initially understand you, but after 1 or 2 sentences, she doesn't comprehend, and your word become meaningless.
Does that mean my daughter will remain uneducated throughout her life? Will she not be able to complete her education?
Don't be disheartened, Santoshji. If your family, her teacher, and she herself will continue to put consistent effort, then definitely she will become as efficient as her 8th group children.
Really, if it's true, certainly we all will make every possible effort for our Pragati. Both I and Pragati's mother will work hard with her, and I'm sure her teacher will also help us in her improvement.
Of course, Santosh ji.
Thank you so much, sir.
You? Hey Bhumika, I am just in front of you, dear.
Oh, out of my curiosity and excitement, I even wouldn't notice you.
Yes, I can understand your feeling, dear. This case is really typical.
I am eager to know about the destiny of this girl. So please tell me, what will happen next?
Now Pragati, her family, along with her teachers are working together to bring improvement in Pragati's life.
How?
So, for knowing that, let's join her journey once again. Let's go.
चोरी से छुप छुप के मैंने चोरी से छुप छुप के तिनका चुन के सपना एक बनाया। डोरी से बुन बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन बुन के टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया। टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया। सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे। सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे।
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं। हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं। तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं खिले जल्द की उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं खिले जल्द की उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं मिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं मिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी